Namaste, my name is Veer, and in this video we are going to discuss about color theory and why you need color theory in your life. So we all know, we all can see, at least everyone who has eyes and are not blind can see the colors around them. But not everyone knows that how you interact with colors affect your mood, how you interact with colors affect your confidence, your mentality, everything. If you understand colors, you can really use colors to improve your life. Now what are colors? Colors are basically a wavelength of light. So what's happening is whenever we have any object, for example any object, like I'm wearing this red shirt, and whenever we have any object, when we look at it, certain amount of white light is absorbed by this cloth and certain amount is reflected back to me. Okay, now whatever is reflected back to me is absorbed by the retina and then my brain, and certain mood is developed within me. Okay, I have no control over that, but a certain emotion and mood is triggered within me. And if we continue to be around the things that elevate our mood or improve our mindset, we will eventually become an improved version of ourselves with an improved mindset, improved mood, and improved confidence. Colors can be used to improve your mood, improve your confidence, improve your mental health. Okay, colors are really important. I explained to you how colors can help improve your mood. So if you take an example, if you surround yourself continuously with dark colors, you're wearing dark colors every day, you begin to feel lethargic. Okay, if you're already someone who regularly wears dark or gets surrounded by dark colors, you most definitely feel lethargic, you most definitely feel lazy, tired all the time. That's because when we continuously look towards dark objects, the light that we are absorbing, the energy that we're using to see, is getting absorbed by that particular object. Okay, and it doesn't return any energy. So it's important that we are surrounded with right colors, we wear the right colors, we use the colors of the object around us or the object around us to elevate ourselves to the next level. And that is what this course is about, and that is what you will learn in this course. And I will go through complete list of colors, and I will try to expand the list as much as possible. I will also share a final document with you, and this is also a course that I'm continuously expanding, so you will continue to see a lot of videos in this. I'm also continuously researching on this topic. I'll be bringing in more information, so make sure you stay updated, make sure you continuously check this course, and I hope you get the most benefit out of this. Try to implement this into your daily life. I'm sure you will get the best out of this course. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.